Hi all, in our last tutorial we worked on sign-in screen in SwiftUI project. In this tutorial we will work on adding localization on a SwiftUI project. So I have already created a resources and localization folder. Now I am adding a new localizable file. So we have to select iOS and here we have to search string. Then we have this string file and we will create it localizable. So now we have one localizable file. So for now it is not localized, but when we click over here it would be localized for English. So now let's say we have to add one more language. So what we gonna do is we will add here and select German. So it would be localized now for German too. So now we have two files, one for English, one for German. So let's define a key. So I am defining a key username and I am adding here username for English, right? And for German, so we will define the same key, but in German we have this value for username. So now we have username for both English and German files. Now in this we have username over here, but instead of username now we will use ns localized string, and here we will define that key which is username. So it would pick the corresponding value from those localizable files. So for now we have username. Let's run it in the simulator and let's see the result. So here it would display the username. I'm just updating it with the user so that we can check in real time it is updating the values or not. So I'm again running the project in simulator and this time see it is updating with user. So now it is picking the value from localizable file. Similarly, you will be able to change the language in settings of the device, and you can change language and accordingly it would pick journal and language. So here instead of English, let's iPhone language, let's change it, add a language. First of all, let's add German language, right? Use German. So it is updating the language in the simulator. So yeah, it is updated. So now once we again run it, so now this time it would pick updated. See, it is updating as per the language. So now it is picking this value from this. Thanks. Please share and subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos on SwiftUI and skilled learning.